As your business reopens, reopen touch-free, germ-free, and AI-driven services on Amazon Alexa. You can visit voicedrycleaner.com to get started. Today, we're showing you how to create your dry cleaner 100% free using Voice Dry Cleaner. So to get started, you just click the Getting Started button. Today, I'm going to make June 8th cleaner. Hey Google, stop. June 8th, EIGHT8, cleaner. My phone number will be 513-850-5895. Create the cleaner, and then we can see that it's now being created, and it'll take it approximately 20 minutes for it to be created. And we actually don't even need to wait. We can start recording our voiceover acting right now. Get started by clicking record. Welcome to June 8th cleaners. You can say, what are your hours? What are your specials? Or you can say, where are you located? How can I help you? Upload. Successful upload. And next script. Thanks for your business. Come back anytime. You can upload each of these. You can say, what are your hours? What are your specials? Or you can say, where are you located? How can I help you? And if we play it, you might not be able to hear it. You can say, what are your hours? What are your specials? Or you can say, where are you located? How can I help you? Upload that one. So next up, I'm not quite that smart yet. Uh-oh, I'm not quite that smart yet. Next is your hours. So right here you'll say your hours of operation. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. On Saturdays, we're open from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Specials. Currently, we're running a special on mattresses and laundry pickup. Laundry gets $3 per pound today only if you order on Amazon Alexa. To get your order started, just say, pick up my laundry. This one's address. You can find us at www.voicedrycleaner.com. And bam, now it's all documented. You can play back all of your audio files right here. Thank you for your business. Come back anytime. You should move right there. Thank you. Thank you for your business. Come back anytime. And I'm just playing these back. Uh-oh, I'm not quite that smart yet. And whenever I'm ready, all I have to do is click publish. And at that point, it should publish. Bam, June 8th cleaner Alexa skill has been submitted for certification. Check your email for next steps. So in a couple minutes, I'll get an email from Voice Dry Cleaner telling me about the next steps and how I can try out my cleaner that has my voice, entirely voiceover, no robotic voice. It's all you. Your brand's important. Your voice is what's important. You can try it with the email that's going to be coming to your inbox any second. Again, if you want to get started, just visit voicedrycleaner.com. And if you want more of these videos, you can subscribe to us on YouTube at Voice First AI.